guys, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you what my ringtone is. This is not a very long video. I'm just showing you what my ringtone is. I know that y'all know this. Well, that's my ringtone. Don't forget, please add me on Snapchat if y'all have Snapchat. Well, I hope y'all like this video. I really like this ringtone. It's H2 Delirious. Here. One here. On Faction.
I just wanted to touch your boobies. I wanted to touch your boobies.
And this one. Banana bus, do banana bus, do banana bus.
Is that a turkey?
But guys, y'all can hear it. Do banana bus, do banana bus, do banana bus. I know y'all guys know that. But I really like my ringtone. It's this one. Yeah, I got this on Zedge. Y'all can see. Here I got my Snapchat. I will show you what my Snapchat is once again. I showed them my Snapchat, what it is on my other videos. Okay, this is what it is right here. This one, the one that I'm pulling is Angel Elizondo 75. I will keep it on here for a little bit to give y'all time. If y'all could get like a little piece of paper or a paper or something to write it down, because I don't think y'all can remember. Or y'all could pause the video right now and y'all can see what it is. And go to Snapchat and try to keep on memorizing. Just keep saying Angel Elizondo 75, Angel Elizondo 75. Say it about 5 times and then you'll remember it. Or like you can just pause it, write it down on a piece of paper, then go to Snapchat, and now just go right here, or go over here. This is the easiest way. Now search right here by this globe thingy. Type in Angel Elizondo 75. Right there, that's me. Right there, have this right here. This. Renos Gaming. To alright. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all. Peace.